Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to discuss how to fix the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe Excel error. It appears when trying to originally copy and paste as links from another worksheet. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe error using 5 quick ways. Method 1. Remove the protection from an Excel file. If your Excel file is password protected and you know the password, then it's tremendous, you can easily unprotect the protected worksheet by entering the password and solve this error. Here are 3 easy ways to do so. Way 1. Open your MS Excel file. Locate a password-protected sheet that you can see in the bottom of your sheet, and right-tap on it. Next, select the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password. Way 2. Go to the Review tab in an open protected sheet. Then, click on the Unprotect sheet. Now enter the password to disable it. Way 3. Go to a Home tab. Locate Cells section. Then, click on Format, Unprotect Sheet. Enter the password or click a button to unlock Excel files. Method 2. Use Paste Special. Compared to the previous technique, this method requires a few more steps, but works almost 100% of time. To do so, select the cells and set their format to General. Copy a blank cell. For this, either select a cell and press Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy from the context menu. Select the cells you want to convert to numbers, right-click, and then click Paste Special. Alternatively, press the Ctrl+Alt+V shortcut. In the Paste Special dialog box, select Values in the Paste section and add in the Operation section. Click OK. If done correctly, the problem will be successfully solved. Method 3. Unmerge Excel cells. The next solution you can try is unmerging cells in Excel. This will help you to paste, manage and organize data more effectively. Let's know how to unmerge the cells. Select one or more cells you want to unmerge. On the Home tab, in the Alignment group, click Merge and Center. Or, click the drop-down arrow next to the Merge and Center button and select Unmerge Cells. Either way, Excel will unmerge all the merged cells in the selection. Method 4. Copy the Excel sheet data to a new workbook. Moving the faulty sheet data to a new Excel workbook is another easy trick to solve the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe error. To do this, open your password-protected sheet, select all the content using Ctrl+A keys. Then press Ctrl+C to copy them. After that, create a new workbook and paste the copied content using Ctrl+V keys to a new file. Method 5. Use Excel Repair tool to repair a corrupted workbook. If you are looking for a quick way to fix apostrophe Excel error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of corruptions in the Excel file and make them accessible. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing the number in this cell is formatted as text or preceded by an apostrophe Excel error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.